Hi everybody, this is Riff. I hope you're doing great out there. I just wanted to take this time to wish you all a very happy Independence Day if you're here in the US, and a great weekend to everybody else out there around the world. And on this special occasion, I thought I would get out my USA-1 monster truck and give it a little run in the front yard to celebrate Independence Day. And thanks again to the RCL for making it possible. Thank you, everybody. Have a great, happy, and safe holiday. Take care. Riff. Hi everybody, this is Riff again. Man, this is a great running truck. It's so much fun. The only thing I'd like to do to it is get a stronger steering servo for it, but other than that, it's great. I was running it on 4S. I hope you enjoyed the little short video. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Riff out.